What makes Bestbath different? It starts with people. Him, them, that guy, them, him, her, and so many other dedicated employees. Even before a project gets to the factory, our dedicated team of code-compliant and industry experts work closely with customers from specification to installation to ensure their Bestbath shower and tub meets their goals and the necessary regulations. They're knowledgeable, they're friendly, they just know their stuff. Great people making great products for installation in residential, multifamily, healthcare facilities, universities, and more. From shower pans to complete single and multi-piece showers, every Bestbath product is intelligent by design. Let's take a tour and see how they're made.
Welcome to Bestbath. Let's take a tour.
We fabricate all Bestbath products in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. A typical shower relies on the skills of 16 craftspeople from start to finish. Because of our proprietary manufacturing process, we can create custom products in days and weeks, not months. It all starts with our molds. We have more than 1,100 in all, covering every imaginable size and configuration. From here, we manufacture each shower in reverse, starting with the innermost coat, then adding other structural layers. First up, the gel coat station. The gel coat is similar to what you find on a ski boat, making it extraordinarily durable and water resistant. Beyond the traditional white finish are Bestbath molten stone finishes, a great way to give that shower or tub a stone look. Once the gel coat cures, it's off to get the barrier coat for added protection. We are one of the few major manufacturers to apply this additional layer of protection. That's a big deal, people. Next up, lamination. The resin composite is applied by an air gun, using various strand lengths in random orientation for added strength. Who doesn't like random orientation for added strength? Now it's time to apply the integral wood backing. The wood backing takes Bestbath products to another level. You can add universal design features like grab bars and seats without searching for studs. Once the wood backing is in place, another layer of composite resin is added, creating a sandwich construction for an even stronger shower. Sandwich. A Bestbath shower can truly last a lifetime. In fact, we're so confident in the durability, all Bestbath showers and tubs come with an industry-leading 30-year warranty. Now it's off to finishing. After the shower is cured, we remove the shower walls from their mold and trim it up. We painstakingly level each unit so it can be mounted directly to the studs or floor. No green backing or mud setting required in most cases. And now, the final touch of buffing and shining. Now that's pretty. To make installation faster and easier, Bestbath often installs valves, seats, soap dishes, grab bars, and other important accessories, reducing the time plumbers and other trades need to be on the job site. The result is every Bestbath shower can be installed in as little as just one day. Before anything leaves the factory, all of our products go through a rigorous 28-point inspection to make sure they meet the Bestbath standard of quality. Then, they're packed up and shipped right here, all over the country and Canada. There you have it. That's how Bestbath products are made. Teamwork and products backed by 50 years of engineering and innovation. That's over 50 years of experience, expertise, problem solving, custom solutions, testing, and more testing. We've set the bar so high, we're now recognized throughout the industry as the standard for accessible, ADA and code-compliant bathing solutions. Better living begins with Bestbath.